What's up, guys? I hope you've all had a great weekend so far. It might be hard to keep up with everything that has been happening to XRP and the XRP community, so in today's video, I'll get you up to speed on all the newest Ripple and XRP news. Before we get into all the juicy details, we're going to head over to CoinMarketCap.com. And as we can all see, the price of XRP today stands at $1.13. We still are in the red zone, and the market has been down by just over 1.5% over the last 24 hours. With that said, let's roll that intro and get into today's video. As always, we welcome you back to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you are new here, welcome to the XRP family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Now, getting into today's video, we rev the engines with this tweet from @Ripple, and it says, early blockchain adopters reported nearly twice the growth compared to other financial institutions. Chart with upwards trend. Find out why 44% of adopters view this tech as the fuel to business growth in our 2020 Blockchain and Payments Report. According to an article posted on Ripple.com, the third annual Blockchain and Payments Report reveals that the blockchain adoption is key to a successful growth strategy for financial institutions. In the past 12 months, early blockchain adopters reported nearly twice as much business growth over other respondents. You can download your free copy of this report from Ripple's website and discover why adopters view blockchain as the fuel to business growth and how global policymakers are shining a new light on digital asset technology. The report reveals key findings and offers new industry insights into the state of global payments today. Moving on to the next tweet, we have an interesting one from John E. Deaton, which says, C. Gasparino and Eleanor Tourette is proof the lawsuit against Ripple and XRP was used as a weapon. The SEC investigated for 30 months. This is its second extension request. Why? Is it because they rushed to file the case, walking out the alert to give advantage to the two cryptos they blessed? What we can tell from whatever is happening here, this is the SEC taking revenge on XRP holders due to the devastating impact we have had on their case so far. It has been nearly a year of damaging research and exposing corruption for the entire world to see. There needs to be an investigation into the SEC now. For months, I heard the complaint the lawsuit was intended to drive retail investors out of XRP. Now the complaint is the delay intended to make XRP holders miss the bull run. But that would leave XRP at a low price during the bear market and allow retail investors to accumulate. It is because they are trying to hurt XRP and force it to miss this bull run. After all, they know it'll be more challenging for people to want to invest in it in the future. They're just trying to buy time and ice out XRP and destroy its future that way. Next, we have another tweet. It's from XRP Crypto Wolf, which says, RippleNet customers can use XRP to bridge two currencies in as little as 3 seconds, ensuring payments are quickly sent and received in local currency on either side of a transaction. As we can see on Ripple.com, Ripple's ODL solution has significantly reduced the cost and delivery time for cross-border transfers, and our customers are seeing the benefits. Through the on-demand liquidity ODL service, RippleNet leverages the digital asset XRP as a bridge between two currencies, allowing you to eliminate pre-funding of destination accounts, reduce operational costs, and unlock capital. RippleNet customers can use XRP to bridge two currencies in as little as 3 seconds, ensuring payments are quickly sent and received in local currency on either side of a transaction. XRP is ideal for global payments because it is quicker, less costly, more scalable, and sustainable than any other digital asset. Moving on, we have this tweet from Ethermaster Ant1 that says, Ripple looks attractive now that Bitcoin and Ethereum are rebounding. What do you think will happen to Ripple in this bull run? One major thing holding back XRP crypto is the SEC's fight with Ripple Labs, the promoting company for XRP. Some articles seem to indicate that Ripple is behind in the lawsuit, while others indicate that Ripple is ahead. The issue, according to FX Street, is the company's sale of XRP crypto tokens. The SEC alleged that Ripple sold $1.38 billion worth of XRP, an unregistered security, and the payments giant is defending by stating that the sales did not constitute securities, and here is why they think that way. Ripple will win, since the SEC has repeatedly failed to identify contractual provisions that support the claim that the sales were investment contracts under the Howey test, there is a higher likelihood of Ripple's win. In fact, some of the XRP holders have been allowed by the Manhattan judge in the case to give their opinion. According to Reuters, 6 owners of XRP crypto can offer their meaningful perspective opinions on specific legal questions in the lawsuit. This effectively gives them amicus status in the case. Here's what Reuters said why they wanted to have their say. The XRP token holders sought to intervene in March, saying they were de facto defendants in the case and wanted to protect their interests. As a result, there is now a certain level of hope with these XRP crypto holders. Despite its troubles with the SEC, the XRP token has tracked Bitcoin and Ethereum. This could easily continue in the future. Since Bitcoin and Ethereum tokens started to rebound, the turnaround in XRP crypto is likely to continue as well. So investors in XRP can figure that it may have reached a trough. Investors who believe that XRP will be left as one of the winners in the crypto world, especially if Ripple Labs wins its lawsuit, might want to get in now. Speaking of which, it's time to take a look at the technical analysis, shall we? It seems that we are about to break out of the second triangle pattern which XRP formed during the current bull market. The breakout would confirm an eventual wave 5 of the current structure being formed since the beginning of November 2020. How to trade this? Wait for a breakout of the triangle towards the upside. Then buy the retest at approximately $1.17. The targets, if the breakout is confirmed, should be $1.37, $2, $4.10, expecting a new all-time high. If we break down, the stop loss will be set at approximately $1. Now, how about a look at Bitcoin? At the moment, if the price takes out the 62,500, that would be an aggressive buy signal for a swing trade. Why is this a bad idea for swing trades and investments? The risk is too high. At the moment, 54,000 is the appropriate risk level based on the strategy that I employ. That means you have to realistically risk 8,000 points in hopes of a breakout while going into a buy the rumor scenario. Can Bitcoin move 8,000 points from 62.5 in order to justify the risk? The structure favors bullish continuation, but these are low probability levels in my opinion. In other words, you are not buying a support. Instead, you are buying into a location. It makes more sense to lock in some profits. Why is this better for day traders? If you know how to manage risk on such a time frame, it is within reason to capture smaller bites and participate in the momentum without being exposed to the larger magnitude of risk. While this may sound like a good idea, if you are relatively new, you should not day trade. The reason is you will most likely get caught in the broader pullback because of a lack of agility and discipline when it comes to keeping risk under strict control. So the easiest thing to do, which no one wants to hear, is wait this out. Do not chase it. If you are not willing to take the risk at 40,000 or 50,000, then 60,000 should be even less attractive. When a move is obvious, that means you missed it. As always, we remind you to trade safely, my friends. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thank you very, very much for watching. I appreciate that. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next Money Side.